Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how we can install the WordPress in your Windows 10 computer. If you want to practice the WordPress, you may need to purchase the hosting to use and practice the WordPress. But in this case, we are going to learn you can install the WordPress into your local computer and practice without any hosting subscriptions and fees. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, to install the WordPress in your Windows computer, you need two things. One is a XAMPP server. On Google, search for the XAMPP. You will get the first result. Go to the XAMPP website. Go to the downloads. From the downloads, you can able to download XAMPP into your local computer. So download the 64-bit if you are using Windows 10 64-bit version of computer. So I already downloaded the XAMPP for the 64-bit. After downloading the XAMPP, you can simply click on to install. Once the installation process complete, you have to go to Google again, then search for download WordPress. From this search, you will get the first result from the WordPress.org. From here, you have to download the WordPress files, the core WordPress files from the official website, WordPress.org. After downloading, you can simply extract the WordPress files. I already downloaded the WordPress files here. You can simply extract. Yeah, the extraction is successfully completed. Now we have the XAMPP installed on our server, on our computer, and WordPress files. So search for the XAMPP. You will get this XAMPP control panel option. From here, you can manage your website. First of all, you need to start Apache, then MySQL. Now our XAMPP server is ready to install the WordPress. First of all, go to the MySQL admin section. Here, you need to create a database for your first website. I'm just creating to create a new database in PHP You can access the PHP through this XAMPP panel, MySQL. Then go to after starting the server, you can go to admin section. From here, you can able to access PHP. From here, you can create a new database. I'm giving it a name as a WordPress. Click on create. Now we have successfully created the WordPress database for our website. After creating the database, you need to do one thing, that you have to copy the downloaded WordPress files into one of the XAMPP server. Simply go to the extracted files. You have to copy all these files. I will share exact location. Copy here and go to XAMPP control panel. Click on Explorer. It will take you to the uh, file directory of your server. Click on Explorer. From the Explorer, you need to remember that this particular directory name htdocs. In the XAMPP htdocs, go to the htdocs. You can simply paste it. We are pasting the WordPress files, extracted WordPress files into the XAMPP htdocs folder. It will take 1 to 2 minutes depending upon your computer speed. We will proceed to the next step after copying all the files into our XAMPP server. Yeah, we have successfully copied our WordPress files into htdocs folder. Now we have to configure the WordPress. To configure the WordPress, go to Control Panel again, click on Apache admin section here. From here, you can simply just edit the URL localhost/WordPress. From here, you can able to access your WordPress website and you can configure everything as it is. Now our server is completely ready and we are configuring our WordPress. Once you go to the localhost/WordPress, you will get this config setup. Just click on select your language and click on continue. Then let's go. Here you need to remember two things. The first one is a database name. The database name is nothing but we have created here. This is a database name we have to enter as it is. The database name here in our case is a WordPress. So we are giving the same name as a database. The username by default root and make the password field empty and click on submit. Remember the two things, the database name is whatever you have created the database here, you have to give that name. Then username is a root, then password should be empty. Then click on submit. Run the installation. Here you go. We just need to give the information for our WordPress dashboard. So I'm giving the site title as Niyaz training and username as the admin, and the password you can use the recommended automatically generated password, or you can use any simple other password. I'm just copying this auto generated password in a notebook. Make sure to remember all your username and password when you're giving. Then use any your email ID. Then you can discourage this particular website from the search engine, or it's optional thing. You don't need to do anything. Just give the site title, username and password, and you have to remember this. Then click on install WordPress. So it's asking for the email address, so we'll give one email address. You can give your email, then click on install WordPress. It's asking. So now we have successfully installed our WordPress in our local computer. So now we click on login and username is admin as we provided and the password is auto generated. To log in, you simply go to the local host slash your website name WordPress slash WP admin. You will be redirected to this particular page and click on login. I hope you are familiar with login URL in a WordPress. So we have successfully logged into WordPress dashboard. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to support my work, you can like, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.